Learn English to Gujarati. Yes, no, and
કદાચ,
fast. Welcome to Tiny Powerful Words. Hey, you are about to learn 3 tiny Gujarati words that can run an entire conversation. And yes, one of them can save you from awkward party invitations. Today your mission is simple. Master yes, no, and perhaps in Gujarati. In English, the words are yes, no, and perhaps. In Gujarati, they are
હા, ના,
and.
કદાચ,
These are basic response words, but do not underestimate them. A whole drama can begin with,
હા,
end with,
ના,
or stay confusing forever with.
કદાચ,
Word 1. Yes. Let us start with the happiest little word. This one feels like a green light for conversation. Yes in Gujarati is.
હા,
Say it with me.
હા,
Memory trick.
હા,
Sounds a bit like a happy ha, and that makes it easy to link with yes. Example. Yes, I understand, becomes
હા,
hum samajam chum. Mini scene. A friend asks, do you want tea? You smile like a champion of good decisions and say,
હા,
Suddenly, chai appears. Very efficient language learning. Another example. She said yes. In Gujarati, tane.
હા,
Kahiyam. Word 2. No. Now for the useful hero of boundaries. Short, clear, and sometimes necessary when someone offers you a 5th dessert before dinner. No in Gujarati is.
ના,
Say it with me.
ના,
Memory trick.
ના,
Sounds like na, which helps you remember no. Example. No, I do not want it, becomes
ના,
main te nathi joie. Funny image. Imagine a cat being asked, would you like a bath? The cat stares into the distance and says,
ના,
with great emotional depth. Another example. The answer is no. In Gujarati, javaba.
ના,
Che. Word 3. Perhaps. And now, the word for when life refuses to be clear. Not yes, not no, just a polite cloud floating over your plans. Perhaps in Gujarati is.
કદાચ,
Say it with me.
કદાચ,
This word expresses uncertainty. It is your verbal shrug. Example. Perhaps it will rain today, becomes
કદાચ આજે વરસાદ પડશે.
funny image. Imagine a magic 8 ball that answers every question with only one word.
કદાચ,
Helpful? Not really. Memorable? Absolutely. Another example. Perhaps she is at home, becomes
કદાચ તે ઘરે છે.
quick contrast drill. Now you will hear the 3 words together, because your brain loves a tidy little set. Repeat them clearly. Yes.
હા,
No.
ના,
Perhaps.
કદાચ,
Again.
હા, ના, કદાચ,
Opposites help memory. The opposite of
હા,
is
ના,
and
કદાચ,
stands in the middle, looking mysterious. Mini dialogue theater. Time for a tiny drama. You get language and entertainment. Honestly, that is a great deal. Scene 1. A. Do you agree? B.
હા,
Scene 2. A. Can I eat your fries? B.
ના,
Strong boundaries. Respect. Scene 3. A. Will he come to the party? B.
કદાચ,
Scene 4. A. Are you ready to learn Gujarati? B.
હા,
If you answered,
ના,
I am still proud of your honesty. If you answered,
કદાચ,
that is suspiciously realistic. Fast quiz. Let us see what's stuck in your brain. No stress, even a maybe is progress. Question 1. What is yes in Gujarati? Answer.
હા,
Question 2. What is no in Gujarati? Answer.
ના,
Question 3. What is perhaps in Gujarati? Answer.
કદાચ,
Question 4. Which word means the opposite of?
હા,
Answer.
ના,
Question 5. Which word means you are not sure? Answer.
કદાચ,
Your challenge today. Now use the words out loud. Yes, even if your houseplant is your only audience. Say,
હા,
while nodding your head once. Say,
ના,
while shaking your head. Say,
કદાચ,
with a little shrug. Now try the full set.
હા, ના, કદાચ,
If you can say all three without mixing them up, congratulations, you now control agreement, refusal, and uncertainty in Gujarati. That is basically half of human conversation. Friendly goodbye. Great job today. You learned 3 small Gujarati words with big everyday power. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
હા, ના,
And
કદાચ.
out loud and use them in tiny real-life moments. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will feel. See you next time, and until then, keep going.
હા,
You can do this.